ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Ankita Kapoor. Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn articles chapter number 2. In the first chapter, you already wrote 11 nouns, 11 rules along with me, right? In this chapter, we are going to learn again rules for articles, but only 3 rules. It is a very easy chapter, and also we have learnt which are the articles, what is an article, which are the types of articles, right? We have also learnt about the definition, about some rules. In this chapter we are going to revise first of all with the definition of an article. What is an article? An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or any idea. It modifies whether it is a person, place, object or any idea. What is the meaning of modifies? We use modify for the word describe. You already know what is the meaning of describe. Describe means to elaborate, right? To elaborate a noun or a person or a thing or a place. So here is the first rule for you. Which is the first rule? We use no article before uncountable and plural countables with a general meaning. Whenever we have any uncountable noun, or if the noun is in plural form and if it's said in general. Now if I say all the students, so students is a general noun, general word, right? So whenever these type of words, for example the words which are given in plural, the words which are countables, uncountables, and whenever the words are uncountables and plural countables, we'll use a general meaning, so we will use no article. For example, milk. Milk is such a word which cannot be counted. Now we cannot count milk, right? So milk is uncountable noun. So milk is good for everybody. So we are talking about all milk, whether it is Amul Gold milk or whether it is some other company milk. We are talking about all the milk, right? All milk. So this is a general meaning. So we have not used any article in front of milk. Coming to the second example, we can see children. Children love playing. This is a general statement. Children, did I specify which children? Which age group children? No, I did not specify. I am talking about all the children. Okay, so children in general I am talking about. So we have used no article in front of children, in front of these words. The second rule, we use no article. Now the second rule is, but we use the before uncountables and plural countables with a limited meaning. Same way we used milk. I am talking about milk in general, but the milk of my house is not general, it is limited, right? It is 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liters. So I have limited milk with me in my house, so I am talking about the milk in my house, so it is a limited meaning. So we will use the milk. The milk of my house is very tasty. If I say the milk has turned sour, if I say the milk has turned sour, means I am talking about the milk which is in my house, the milk which is in limited quantity, not about all the milk, the milk in our cupboard. They took the children to the zoo. Now they took the children to the zoo. They will not take all the children, the children of all the world or all the city. They will not take, right? They will take only limited children to the zoo, right? You can understand the meaning by limited and general. So they will take the limited children to the zoo. So we are talking about the limited children over here. The children is equal to their children. They took their children to the zoo. So we have used the. Okay, so third and the last rule in this chapter is, notice that no article is used before the names of games. We cannot use a cricket, an cricket, the cricket, a football, the football. We cannot use, right? Whenever a name of a game is used in a sentence, for example, chess. So we cannot use a chess, the chess, no. We only use chess, right? Same way, they are playing cricket. So cricket is here without any article. Before the names of languages, the English, the Hindi, the Urdu, no, we don't use. So we don't use any article when the name of games are given, when the name of language is repeated in the sentence. He knows Urdu. So Urdu is kept over here alone, no article is used. She can speak English fluently. Did I speak the English or English? No, only English. Before the names of meals in normal context. What time is dinner? They are at lunch. Don't disturb them if I say. So children, these were the 3 rules of this chapter. Just now in the next slide we are going to learn about the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a and the. You have to put a and the wherever necessary. I enjoyed the lunch. Why did I use the lunch? Where is the Amazon River? Because Amazon River is the name of a place. So we use the before name of a place. The St. Mary's English School, Bhavnagar. The Taj Mahal, right? He is from the Netherlands. Again, Netherlands is a name of a place. So the Netherlands. Roma is a clever girl. The teachers of that school are very good. We are talking about a particular school, particular teacher, so we have used the. Did you see the film on the TV last night? We are talking about any particular film which was being played last night on the TV. She is an honest girl. Now why did we use an honest girl? Because over here H is silent. So we will use an honest girl. I will be back in an hour. In an hour. Why did we use an hour? Because over here again H is silent. Right? So this was your chapter number, articles chapter number 2. We have completed both the chapters. Again revise both the chapters with all the 14 rules together and practice the exercise given in your textbook. Thank you.